Brandon, just wanted to tell you thanks for your influence and busting my chops in a quantum. What I mean by that is I'm in my video studio. It's Sunday morning. I'm just getting ready to do a little shout out, a mini chat to my subscribers, and why I wanted to thank you. First of all, the business quantum has been awesome. I've been excited to get with you in 2020. I got the schedule. I'm really excited to come back to the quantums. They are always fantastic. I love them. They help a ton. I love the interaction, and I think you're really funny. I love the quantums. Anyway, the other thing is we were in a quantum, and we talked about the video studio, and you were teasing me about not doing anything with it. And so I was like, all right, it's always been in the back of my mind as a little bit of a motivation. And so it's been awesome. I've just completed my 837th professional video. I've got them up on a YouTube channel. It's a pretty small following, medium following, I guess. I have 17,000 subscribers. I've got a mini chat. I've got a bunch of things going on Facebook, and I have a subscription agreement to my practice, all because of your motivation of helping me to do some stuff in my business, and also teasing me in the quantum about having the video studio and then not doing anything with it. And anyway, I really appreciate your influence in my life. It's awesome. And anyway, I wanted to show you the second part that you'll appreciate in just a second. I'm underneath the stairs in my video studio, and I've just created a little podcast studio. Here, the main reason is to bring audio versions of my book, but it was just kind of a fun little project. And I love your podcasts. I listen to them every time they come out. They're tremendously influential. And just thank you for everything. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in 2020.